my channel Miss Medicine. This video is about lung sounds. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. First lung sound is vesicular breathing. In vesicular breathing, expiration is shorter and there is no pause between inspiration and expiration. The intensity of breath sound is higher in bases in erect position and dependent lung in decubitus position. Vesicular breath sounds are soft and low pitched with a rustling quality during inspiration and even softer during expiration. Inspiration to expiration ratio of 3:1 or 4:1. Once again, vesicular breathing sound. Next, lung sound is bronchial breathing. Bronchial breathing is hollow, tubular sounds that are higher pitched, considered abnormal if heard over the peripheral lung fields. There is a distinct pause in the sound between inspiration and expiration. Inspiration to expiration ratio of 1:2 or 1:3. Bronchial breathing anywhere other than over the trachea, right clavicle or right interscapular space is abnormal. It indicates that there are no ventilation into alveoli and the sound that is heard originates from bronchi and is transmitted to the chest wall. Next lung sound is bronchovesicular breathing. Bronchovesicular breathing, these are normal sounds in the mid chest area or in the posterior chest between the scapula. Inspiration to expiration periods are equal. They reflect a mixture of the pitch of the bronchial breath, sounds heard near the trachea, and the alveoli with the vesicular sound. They have an inspiration expiration ratio of 1:1. Next sound is reduced breath sounds. I hope you can hear it. Reduced breath sounds. There are regional variations in the intensity of breath sound. At the apex, intensity decreases with the progression of inspiration performed from residual volume, whereas at the base, initially the sound is less intense, and with the progression of inspiration, the intensity gradually increases. Intensity of inspiration is greater than that of expiration. Intensity can be reduced due to several factors like weak sound generation or impaired transmission. Various causes are shallow breathing, airway obstruction, lung bullae, hyperinflation, pneumothorax, pleural effusion or thickening, lung collapse, and obesity. Once again, next lung sounds are the fine crepitations. Crepitations, crackles are discontinuous, explosive, popping sounds that originate within the airways. They are heard when an obstructed airway suddenly opens and the pressure on either side of the obstruction suddenly equilibrates, resulting in transient, distinct vibrations in the airway wall. Fine crepitations are high pitched, very brief and soft. It sounds like rolling a strand of hair between two fingers. Fine crackles could suggest an interstitial process like pulmonary fibrosis, congestive heart failure. Next sound is late inspiratory fine crepitations. Fine crepitations, crackles are high pitched, very brief, and soft. It sounds like rolling a strand of hair between two fingers. Fine crackles could suggest an interstitial process like pulmonary fibrosis, congestive heart failure. They are typical late inspiratory. Crackles can be heard during inspiration when intrathoracic negative pressure results in the opening of the airways, or on expiration when thoracic positive pressure forces collapsed or blocked airway opens. Crackles are heard more common during inspiration than expiration. Next, lung sound is coarse crepitations. Coarse crepitations are discontinuous, brief, pooping sounds compared to fine crackles. They are louder, lower in pitch, and last longer. They have also been described as a bubbling sound, typically inspiratory and particularly wet sounding. They are caused by excessive fluid within the lungs. Next, lung sound is plural rub. Next, lung sound is plural rub. Plural rubs are discontinuous or continuous creaking or grating sounds. The sound has been described as similar to walking on fresh snow or a leather on leather type of sound. Coughing will not alter the sound. They are produced because two inflamed surfaces are sliding by one another, such as in pleurisy. They can occur on both inspiration and expiration, but they are usually occur with inspiration and tend to be localized. Hearing a pleural friction rub implies neoplasm, pulmonary infarction, pneumonia, and tuberculosis or SLE, systemic lupus erythematosus. Next lung sound is wheezing. Wheezes are devanteish lung sounds that are continuous with the musical quality. Wheezes can be high or low pitched. High pitched wheezes may have an auscultation sound similar to squeaking. Lower pitched wheezes have a snoring or moaning quality, and expiratory wheezes suggest reactive airways and imply bronchial disease such as asthma, the deflated section of lung. This finding suggests chronic bronchitis, COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Focal wheezes help to localize the site of obstruction. The proportion of the respiratory cycle occupied by the wheeze roughly corresponds to the degree of airway obstruction. I hope you liked this video. Share if you like it. Thank you.